After nearly hitting rock bottom and facing literal bankruptcy, ready to lose everything, I discovered a method that not only saved me, but helped me earn real money and pulled my family out of financial ruin. But before I share it, make sure you subscribe and smash that like button so you never miss an update. Alright, here are this life-changing affirmations I repeated every single day for 21 days, and how they completely transformed my reality. Let's dive in. I am financially free, secure, and thriving. My income constantly increases, providing for my every need. I spend money wisely and with gratitude, and it returns to me multiplied. I am a magnet for divine abundance. I release all resistance to attracting money. It comes to me effortlessly. Every day, in every way, my financial situation is improving. I deserve prosperity, and I accept it now. Money flows to me in avalanches of abundance.